Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. And if you like any of the items you see, be sure to check the description for links and discounts. Today we are trying on the Alo Yoga Soho set in ivory, as well as the Ribs on Point tank in the color Lemon Ice. Now this tank came out maybe a few months ago and I am just getting around to trying it on. I really love anything from Alo with ribbed material, so I was really intrigued to try this one. Now it does come with a built-in shelf bra and it does have removable pads in case you are wondering or if that's a concern. I did try on this tank in an extra small, which is my usual size for any tops at Alo. I also wear an extra small in their sports bras or things like that, but I do sometimes size up to a size small, so keep that in mind. Now I tried on the Soho set in a size medium in the pullover because that's all that they had in store, as well as an extra small in the sweatpants. Now I do own these sweatpants in the light brown color and I do find them very comfortable. The one qualm that I have with this Soho material is that even before you purchase it, it already kind of looks pilled and used. Now some think that that is kind of more of a cozy style or it's a cozy look and you can't fully tell when you have them on, but for me it kind of bothers me. Although I do feel like you could see it a little bit less in the caramel color, so I made an exception. Now the Ribs on Point tank, I was honestly a little bit let down by. I think I just don't love the cut on me and my chest. And that's not to say that I don't like high neck items, but I think it was trying to be a boat neck but also trying to be high neck, so it was a little conflicting for me. Now talking about the Soho set, I did brush on that I do have these pants in the extra small in a caramel color. I felt like when I tried on this ivory, although I usually love things in ivory, it kind of fell flat for me and it kind of looked a little sloppy. Keep in mind I did try a very oversized pullover, so that could add to it, but in any case, there you have it. At least I hope this can help you in your purchasing decisions. Let me know if you end up picking up any of these items. Thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe.